Mamalaw.
This is what we call
Kada ako, lumalakas na naman ang ulan. It's raining hard, guys. But I have to do something with my plants. Naawa kasi ako sa plants ko dito sa aking ports. Kailangan ko silang ilabas, guys. At maliligo na rin ako sa ulan. See you!
Hello guys! Sa ganitong panahon guys, sanahan ko guys, ilagay ko dito sa labas kasi umuulan. Maawa naman ako nito guys. This is what we call kalipay plant. And you know, it gives me a psychological effect na ang magstay dito sa bahay namin ay masayahin kasi kalipay itong plants. Yan, maganda ito guys.
Kalipay.
Ito guys, kawawa naman si guys, umuulan lagi tapos wala naman sila, hindi sila nabibigyan. So, kailangan sila natin paliguan guys. I want to do something with my plants when it's rainy day. When it's raining. Oh, I like the rain. You want to take a bath with the rain? Oh, it's nice. It's what we called as wave of love. So, psychologically, may effect dito sa bahay na ang mga tao dito ay full of love. Palaging in love. So, dito po, prayer plant, guys. Kawawa naman ang prayer plant ko. I-request. Aayusin ko dito, guys, kasi topsy-turvy ang pagka-arrange. Arrange ko na lang. Kasi gusto ko sa ulan.
Mamalaw.
This is what we call
Ikaw
as
daw,
rubber
maligo ka sa rain.
plants, guys. Oh, malaki na aking rubber plants, guys. At ito, rubber plant, guys. This is very good air purifier plant. Woo! Come! Pray! And then, guys, ilalabas ko itong mga plants ko. Kasi nasa loob sila guys, ilalabas ko para silang ma-ulanan guys. At ngayon guys, maliligo na ako guys.